Yo, I'm Frobot. How are we doing today? You probably already know that you can add new animations to the walking mod, right? So let me show you how we can make new animations ourselves. In this video, we are going to be using a site called Mixamo to download the animations, but you can use any animation you want to. And for the rest of the process, we will need to have any Unity version installed. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to download this FBX file from the link in the description. This file has a 3D model rigged with the XL armature, courtesy of our beloved Redgolf. Then we can go to the Mixamo site, click on the button Upload Character, and select the file we just downloaded. After that, you only need to find the animation you want to import into the mod. I will be doing this dancing maraschino step 1, so let's download it. Click on the orange button Download and then click on the second orange button Download again. And that's it with Mixamo. You can close that now and open your Unity install. You can use an existing project or just create a new empty one. Now we download this script called bonedatarecorder.cs and save it on the assets path of the Unity project you will be using. On Unity, locate your downloaded FBX on the Assets tab and single-click it. Go to Rig and select Legacy, hit Apply. Add your FBX to the scene. And navigate it until you find the pelvis bone, select it. On the right side of the window, you will find the Inspector tab. There click on this Add Component button and search for the Bone Data Recorder script. Select your animation. And give a name to it. If you want to remove the character movement of the animation, you can click on this option. And that's it, just hit play and wait for the animation to finish. The editor will stop the execution automatically. If you right-click your Assets folder and hit refresh, you will see that these two new files will appear. Now open your browser and enter this site. Just drag and drop the two generated files. And we have our animation JSON file. If you reach this point, you should have a new animation to play in-game just like this one, and now you're an official XL mod maker. If you want to share your new animation with other players, there's a channel on Fro's Discord for that. All the links are in the description of this video. See you next time.